Hello everyone. I just received my Marimaki. My Marimaki delivery. So let's open it from Sir A. I'm gonna open it. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Actually, I'm really excited to unbox this. I wait this one for, not that long time, but yeah, I wait for this one. Sa lahat yata ng package na receive ko, ito lang yung pinakahinihintay ko. So yeah, this is my Marimaki. Really excited. Oops. I don't want to ruin the box. So let's just be careful opening it. Yes. I'm really excited. Oh, talaga naman siya. Oh, napakaganda naman. I'll just open it and what I have. Wow, it's really cute. My kids will love it for sure. Oh, it so smells good. It smells so good, honestly. And there's another one. It's so cute, honestly. Look. So, talaga naman, napaka-arting naman talaga si Sir A. Napakaganda. Yes, and this one for my hair. And another. And then butterfly. What earrings. Alam mo, Sir A, you're such a very, very kind person. Ang galing mo kasi I love like this. Honestly. I love it. Look, I have already and I love it more. And I'm gonna do the beads here, and then the one that I'm waiting, let's open it. I'm proud. My very own Lucky Charm. Marimaki. Thank you, Sir A. Thank you so much. I love you.